All right, let's try another one here. The next one is 16.85 liters. Well, that one I already did. All right. If you go back and look at one of the videos I posted yesterday, that was one of the ones I did. So let's go to the next one. 164,500 nms. N is nano and M is meters. So this is a measurement of length. Meters is length. Now I want to convert that from nanometers to centimeters. Okay. So let's pull out one of these metric prefix ladder thingies and locate our original prefix, which was nano on here. Let me see. I go nano. Right here, this is nano. And I want to go to centi. And centi's up here. Okay. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to end here. Obviously, that means I'm going up, which means now we're moving the decimal point to the left. But how many places? Well, count the jumps from the start to the end. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps, which means that the decimal point gets moved 7 places, and again to the left. All right, so we go to here. Now, where's the decimal point here? This is a comma, not a decimal point. The decimal point is right here, right? And in order to put a correct answer in front of centimeters, we're going to have the same digits, 164,500, except the decimal point's not going to be after the 0. It's going to have moved 7 places to the left. Right? The left is that way, of course, that way. So if I want to, starting here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what happens? I ran out of digits. Well, no, you put in a 0. Put in a 0, and then the decimal point goes in front. All right. Now we don't leave it like this. If our number starts with the decimal point, stick a 0 out in front of it. It's just the correct thing to do. But that's it. The difference between this number and this number is the decimal point has been moved 7 places to the left. All right. And let's do the next one. It's going to be 0.014 mg. Little m is milli. Don't confuse that with the big M, which is mega. Right, little m is milli. So this is milligrams, which is a measurement of mass. And I want to convert that just to plain old grams. That's the base unit. So we're going to go from milli, which is right here, to the base unit, which is right here. Okay. All right. Now, how many jumps is that? That's 3 places, or 3 jumps. And since we're going from milli up to the base unit, we're going to move to the left. 3 places to the left. So I'm going to take my original number, and I'm going to move the decimal point, let's see, 3 places that way. Right, so I'm going to have a whole lot more zeros in here, obviously. If I start moving the decimal point this way, I have to fill up the unoccupied places with zeros. So let's see, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 2 more zeros onto this number. So it'll be 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1, 4. And the decimal point will be out front. Now I don't ever write numbers so that they start with the decimal point if there's a decimal point in front. In other words, if it's a number less than 1, I always start it with a 0, put a 0 up there. Now let's just check real quick. The original decimal point would have been right here, right? And now it's here. Is that a shift of 3 places to the left? Well, yes it is. Okay, so there we have it. The answer to this question is right here. 0.000014 grams.